Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate in predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed. The benefits of machine learning include improved accuracy in predictions, automation of repetitive tasks, ability to handle vast amounts of data, real-time insights and decision-making. Machine learning can be used in a variety of fields such as healthcare, diagnosis, treatment plans, finance, fraud detection, stock forecasting, marketing, customer segmentation, personalized advertising, retail, demand forecasting, price optimization, transportation, route optimization, predictive maintenance. Types. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Algorithms. Common machine learning algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, random forests, k-nearest neighbors, and neural networks. Overfitting. Overfitting is a common issue in machine learning where a model learns the training data too well and does not generalize well to new, unseen data. Bias. Bias in machine learning refers to the tendency of a model to produce systematically incorrect outputs for certain groups. Feature engineering. Feature engineering is the process of creating new features from existing data to help improve the accuracy of a machine learning model. Model evaluation. Model evaluation is the process of measuring the performance of a machine learning model on a separate set of data to ensure that it is making accurate predictions. Hyperparameter tuning. Hyperparameters are settings for a machine learning algorithm that must be set before training. Hyperparameter tuning is the process of selecting the best hyperparameters for a specific problem. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss a video.